When making equivalent fractions, those would be equal fractions, you either multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. When the multiplication or division is done, you have successfully made fractions that are mixed numbers, perhaps 3 1/2, or an improper fraction, perhaps 9/4. This calculation can give you whole numbers, like 2, or just a single fraction without a whole number in front of it, perhaps 3/9, or a lowest terms fraction when maybe 1/3. When multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number, particularly the division in this case, following the rules for divisibility will really be very helpful. I covered this in other videos, so if you will need to refresh your memory on that, please go back and take a look at the divisibility rules, because those are really helpful when making equivalent fractions. When you're doing the multiplication, you're talking about multiples of a given number, and those actually help us either reduce or simplify our fractions to the lowest terms, or else they help get a common denominator, which is very important when we're adding and subtracting numbers, adding and subtracting fractions that do not have the same denominator to start.